Good afternoon. It's time for another episode of Ask Annie. I'm running behind today, as you may have noticed, so I'm just now posting and taping this segment. I did wear my Santa earrings today in honor of the month of December. Today, let's talk about how often you should be looking at the exterior of your home to see if you need any maintenance done. When the seasons change, that's a great time to go and scrutinize the exterior of your home. Most of the time we're busy coming and going and we don't really notice small things. When the seasons change, make it a priority to go out and really look at every wall of the exterior. Some things you should be looking for are peeling paint, cracks, little holes. Is there some wood rot? Am I noticing water damage somewhere? You want to address these issues quickly. The sooner you address them, the less damage you have to your home. When you don't maintain it, it just deteriorates quickly over time. So make sure that you are checking that when the seasons change. I'm sorry, I got tongue twisted there. When the seasons change, so that you're doing preventative maintenance to keep everything looking the way you want it to, so your value of your home is not impacted. If you like today's episode, please click like and share with a friend. I would really appreciate any comments and especially questions that you might have. I'm Annie Good, and it's my privilege and pleasure to bring value and insight to your projects. See you next time.